Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about how you can add product reviews on Shopify, and it will be a complete beginner friendly tutorial and I will describe everything step by step. In fact, the main thing is to make this video is Shopify by default not provided to give reviews on your store. That's why I'm going to make this video to add product reviews on Shopify. So this is the simplest way to this one. So we just need to be add an apps that provide this service to add product reviews on your platform. So I will click on setting. Once I click over here, then you will get this kind of an interface here. As you can see it, I will click on apps and sales channel. Then here you can see that we have these options called Shopify App Store. I will just click over here and you will redirect to Shopify App Store, as you can see it. So here I will search product reviews options. Here you can see, and I will hit enter, and then eventually you will get a couple of options. Reviews, there's a problem we had, and here you can see we have a couple of options called judge.me, then looks, title. So you can choose whatever you want. It's totally depend on you. And here I am going to install this one because I think Just Me is a perfect one, and it has almost 29 plus reviews and it has 5 out of 5 rating. It's really amazing, and that makes sense to install this one. So I'm going to install this one. I will click over here, then it will redirect you to a new tab, and eventually you can see it will give us the options called install it. So I will click on install. Then here you can see it, this is the my plan, and just.me has been installed. So I will pin it to our navigations. Just click over here, and here they are giving us welcome to just.me. So they are telling us to set up whole process. So I will click on start setup. Once I click over here, then it will give us to enable app. Before you start this, you just need to be enable it. How you can do it, just click on this button. Once you click over here, then it will redirect you to the editing dashboard, and here eventually you can enable it just.me, and it already enabled, and you just need to be click on save. When you install it, it will enable the save. So I already did it before the video, that's why I have not this access to save it. So here once it's done, then here you just need to be click on continue. Once you click over here the continue, then you just need to be install the widget block. So I already did. Here you can see our widget has been installed. So I will back to this one sections, and here you can see the apps. Our review widget has been installed. Here you can see we have couple of preview over here, most recent, then highest rating, whatever you want. It's totally depend on you. Now our widget has been enabled. So in this way I already did my work. So here click on continue again, and here they are telling us to install the star rating, and it has already installed. Also here you can see it, this is the verified badge. This is the star. So let's find it out. Where is the star? Let's scroll down. This is the customer reviews. So I am going to add a sections. So let's search for star rating. Yes, this one. And now let's go deep down, and here you can see this one has been installed. So I will place it here, and here I am going to add on the product descriptions star rating. So I will remove this one, and here I will remove this one also. So eventually you can see that is the place we place our star rating. So I will place it after the title, and let's go and let's try to see it. And here you can see it, that it has been placed perfectly, and it looks now amazing. So I will save it here. Once it's done, I will click on continue, and here they are telling us to select the color. So you can select your color, which color you think will be suitable for your business. So I am going to select this one. It is a light color, so I don't think it will be proper color. So I will make it black. It will be perfect for me. So when you're done, this is the really important one, automatic review one. And let's step, we will start sending review request emails for you. New orders automatically. Please confirm the timing. You can change the time, whatever time you want. Then here you can see domestic order after the order is fulfilled, so you can change it to 4 days. So here I will click on 4, then click on finish, and here you can see that all has been done. And you just need to click on all done. All done, you are now ready to collect reviews and display them in your store. You can export your just.me or you can import reviews. Just click on import reviews, and here you will get couple of options that where you are allowed to import your reviews from AliExpress, Amazon, etc. Whatever platform exists in online, you are allowed to review it. So here I'm going to click on manage reviews, then collect reviews, and on the widget. So here if you click on the review widget, you are allowed to customize the default design by your own. So here I'm going to customize the text. Just click on this, and here you are allowed to add the customer reviews title, and here you can see it, like you can see it. Then if I click on the widget, here we have another widget, like I already installed. You can install review carousel also. Then here you can change the star rating base. Just click on customer, and now you can change the color as it you want, as you can see it. Then here star only, you can show and text. You have these options to change this whatever you want. You are allowed to add customized CSS advanced also. Then you can install at the star rating base on your product page. You just need to click on install. Once you click over here, it will be installed in your pages easily. So here you have these options to do it. Then here you can see it, our review widget has been added. So let's scroll down, let's try to see it. Here you can see it has been added. So this way you can add all the widget on your platform. We already installed almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 widget. If you want to add further more, you just need to click those install, and it will be installed perfectly or properly. Just click on customize and increase the date range to include at least 5 published reviews. So here you just need to increase the time, and from that place you just need to click on install, and this way you are allowed to install it in your website. So after using the just.me apps, you are allowed to add or integrate product reviews on your Shopify. This is the simplest way to integrate your reviews on your Shopify ad. There's a couple of other way we have, but this one is really simple. You can explore further more apps to know more about. We use just.me reviews, but there's a other apps we have. Let's discuss one. Here you can see that is Looks product review app, then Tidal product review app, then Easy Reviews, and many more. So it's totally depend on you, and here you can easily explore it, and you will find out your desired one. So let's wrap up the video here. If you found that this video is helpful, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, I will catch you in the next video.